Law isn't just about rules, it's about understanding the forces that shape businesses and societies. I'm Stephanie Bernhard and I currently study international business law at Tilburg University. This program has really opened my eyes regarding how law interacts with technology and businesses, and it shows that it has a truly multidisciplinary approach that really inspires me. In this program, you'll learn how to stay ahead as a business lawyer. You'll understand how to navigate rapid developments and anticipate change. I saw this firsthand while I was writing my thesis that talks about generative AI and EU policy making. Especially, I talk about intellectual property rights of AI-generated works and human input. As AI plays a bigger role in creative industries, we need to ensure that the law evolves and that it understands that technology is here to enhance but not to replace human creativity. The program's flexibility makes it easier for you to tailor it to your specific interests and needs. In this sense, it goes beyond understanding and learning the law because you're encouraged to think differently, to ask critical questions, and to engage in challenging discussions. In this way, you can lead and create impact as a lawyer. And you'll see how organizations deal with complex issues and how you can stay ahead as a professional. Through hands-on projects, just as developing an app or using legal design tools to make documents more accessible, you'll learn how creative and how innovative the legal world can be. Studying here has been a great experience for me because it has been way more than just academic work. Since our program is hybrid, we have the experience to connect with people in an online setting or also to connect in classroom, and we have people from all over the world. In this sense, I've been able to build on friendships and also to make professional connections for my future. It has been a great experience because it feels like I'm part of a community that is close and supportive. My advice for future students is simple. Make sure that you engage in interesting discussions and be as active as you can in class. In this way, you'll make the most out of this program because you'll be able to share and challenge your ideas.